athletes to see their colors being flown, to see the crowd going crazy every time. There were nights where Brazilian fighters could not lose. They have won 10 fights at flying knee gets to the target. Beautiful flying knee to the head. Oh, nice combination, yeah.
Oh, big knee there.
Nasty high kick. How is he still standing?
Watch the swelling becoming a real factor right now. Did they inject something into his face, or is he just swollen from the strikes?
Swollen from the strikes, man. Guy taking a couple shots. You never know which one is going to start to make you get damaged. Something good landed, and now you see the swelling start.
Oh, flying knee right on the chin. Great body kick there. Now some spacing as they exit the clinch. Oh, man, how is he standing? Brutal knee to the body. Head kick attempt, it's blocked.
You know, a lot of people say those don't land, but even if you block them a little bit, they still put damage on you.
Oh, look at that head snap back as he connects with another uppercut. Not the first time he's landed that weapon tonight.
That's his best shot, man. He's so good at it. He's so good at finding it. And when you think you got a beat on the right uppercut, he shifts his weight off to the side and
Oh, blood dripping now from his lip.
oh, another one. Now he's back up.
Able to land with the body there with the left kick.
Yeah, that body kick is going to really take effect on him. And it won't take very long. I mean, just all kicks, not many strikes landed with hands.
Oh, brutal knee to the body.
Uppercut.
All right, here we are back inside Toyota Center, Houston, Texas. And it seems like every time the UFC comes here, something special happens. UFC 192, obviously an epic title fight between you and Alexander Gustafsson. UFC 166, one of the greatest fight cards of all time. Houston's got another one in store tonight.
Yes, tonight you have a chance to make your own history. We saw Melendez versus Sanchez. Me and Gustafsson put on the show there. Velasquez and Gonzalez put on the show there. Will you be remembered like we have at the Toyota Center?
All right, so we're starting to see some swelling now, DC. We'll see if he can make some adjustments defensively.
He's taking too many.
Oh, man, DC, you appear to be in real trouble.
Oh, right hand landed. There you go.
Oh, he's had a big knee in the body. We'll see if he can follow up.
Oh, nice body shot.
Big knee there to the chest. Oh, knee strike right to the body.
He's mixing up his target. He's throwing kicks. He's throwing punches.
Oh, and he caught the kick.
Oh, he's doing a real good job of leveraging offense.
Now they're throwing both sides with conviction. Big elbow there, Lance. Just missed with that right hand. Well, he is really seeing things well offensively here tonight, and he's caused a lot of swelling there on his body.
You gotta address this now because it's only going to get worse. Your opponent is not going to let you off the hook. You gotta move. You gotta change something to try to deter him from going to that spot.
Oh, that's a beautiful land downstairs with the kick. Clean with the right hook. Oh, left hook to the head, it's blocked. fight thus far, perhaps a contender for some bonus money at fight's end. These guys are going to have to dig deep. They're both hurt.
They're both hurt. You expected it, though. You expected a close fight. You did not expect a war like this, though, where both guys, from the moment they said fight, went forward, got in each other's face, and just beat each other up. It's been tremendous. Big ground and pound. Big right hook there by the champ.
Oh, he's got the ground and pound going now. Oh, what a moment there as they make their way back to the feet. Crowd may be drunk, but they're absolutely right.
Yeah, the crowd loves the stand-up fight. So all that grappling wasn't what they wanted to see. They're back up on their feet now. They're popping and they're excited.
Head kick is blocked.
You know, that's a big thing whenever you're blocking high kicks, man. You cannot just take the brunt of that kick on one arm. You have to get that cross arm.
Quick entry to get it on a
that
single.
was a great single.
And he is back up to his feet. Oh, that opened up a cut on his forehead.
On him to continue on the path and make the ringside position come in here and try to stop this fight.
Oh man, that cut. Here we go, third round of this championship fight. Head kick attempt gets blocked. So he's really starting to put together some significant body shots here. These are going to take their toll as this fight goes on. On the elbow. I'm not sure how he'd stay up.
I mean, when you get hit with a shot like that, to stay standing shows and talk to your tough.
Big right hand. All right, so an opportunity. Good. So he's landed a few seminal uppercuts already. Oh, he's in real trouble now. Yeah, looks a little wobbly on his feet.
This is big. That's big.
Well, you know, Rogan's pissed he missed this one. We are witnessing an instant classic. Back and forth we go. Both fighters have been on the cusp of being finished, and both have exuded a ton of hurt.
Yeah, they both. What a fight. Both of these guys are trying to finish. Oh, he's not bad. He's got to grab him. He's got to cover.
And right into side control. Gets the elbow up into the target.
Beautiful transition. Ref rule healthy here. Just as the referee will never take a guy out of bounds, they will not take a guy off of your back. You have to get him out of this position. He's got to start throwing now.
Oh, heavy shots raining down.
He is in a lot of danger now. His opponent has beaten him. He's battered him. And now he is wearing it. There's a ton of blood on his face.
it seems like there has been an opening. Yeah, man, crowd loving it. Just a gorgeous shot there to end the fight. Really just the way he drew it up. He found the opening and capitalized on it to the utmost extent. Nicely done to finish the fight.
Seconds of the third round, declaring the winner by knockout and still the undisputed UFC middleweight champion of the world,
And still the king of the 185-pounders. There he is, the undisputed UFC middleweight champion after the knockout tonight in his title defense. And that's got to feel pretty good. There were a lot of people backing the #1 contender coming in here tonight, but he certainly muted all of that noise and then some. The celebration is on in the corner. Congratulations to the reigning, defending, still undisputed UFC middleweight champion of the world.